Alright guys, welcome back to Beamer Boys and the other channels that this is going to be uploaded on. This is my other ski. It's a 1999 or 98, I don't know. Same point. Seadoo GTS, a basic Seadoo ski. It's seen better days, but it has the 2-cylinder Rotax Bombardier engine. And what's different about these is it has no reeds. Kind of like an illiterate person, no reed. But it needs a wear ring and the seal in between the impeller and where it meets through the hull because it leaks. Almost sunk this thing last time we went out. It needs a general cleaning. It's the purple, yellow, and white. And it has some body work that needs to be done. Overall, fun ski. It's the front. It needs handlebars need to be replaced. This thing, it runs. It runs actually. Let me throw the battery on it. Maybe I can get it to start up. I doubt it though. We'll throw a charge on it and see if we can get it to crank up to life. It would be nice to have it started, but I'm having trouble getting the jet pump off. The jet pump does not want to come off. As you can see, it's loose, but it will not come off. So if you guys have any idea why that is, just let me know. Let me know. But I'm gonna throw a battery charger on this and see if we can get it to fire up possibly. Hold on, we'll get her fired back up for you. That's from 2 years of sitting.